Yo, welcome back to Crabs Trades. December 26, 2024 right now. Market's about to open in about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm just marking up my chart right here. 8:30 a.m. we had data lows. So we're gonna mark that up, as well as the data lows today are also equal lows. So yeah, 26, 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims, red folder, obvious data wick, as well as equal lows. So we're gonna keep that in mind. Also, we're just gonna hop on the 15-minute chart right now and start our analysis here. So yeah, looking at this right now, kind of projecting this like CISD area. Not the most obvious, but because it didn't really sweep anything since we're at like almost all-time highs. But yeah, let's pull up sessions and yeah, but yeah, OB, propulsion block, whatever you want to call it. Actually, yeah, just OB that we're kind of holding here. But yeah, pulling up my session highs and lows, as well as previous day. Let's first mark up previous day low, which is right here, and previous day high. Their previous day high is also Asia high. Let's see, do we have any SMTs? Not really. Just this move was kind of sponsored by like really nothing, so I could see a run lower potentially. Gonna have this change in structure already in this OB holding. Mark that up. So order block right here, kind of looking at that. And yeah, London high. Hold up, let me get some tea. True day open right here. Mark that up. Let's mark that up on ES as well. London, New York AM low. Let's mark that up as well. Right there. Alright. Let's hop on the weekly. Let's just see what the higher time frame narrative is right now. It looks like we're kind of projecting this new week open gap. As well as kind of holding this weekly fair value gap. Wicking out of this weekly order block. Just mark that up. So I'm gonna just mark out this weekly gap. Just cause it's like very nice rejection off of this new week open gap, rejection off the fair value gap on the weekly, rejection off the OB on the weekly. So higher time frame, I'm pretty bullish based on this right now. And right here we have all-time highs as well. Yes, rejecting here. See it daily. Also about to be live in Cosmo in about 9 minutes, so I gotta hurry up. But yeah, all-time highs right there. Rejecting this OB as well on the daily. Just looking for higher time frame PD arrays that we're rejecting right now. see SMT, nice external SMT. Throw that bottom right. SMT rejecting the OB on the daily, rejecting the like this fair value gap as well, rejecting the weekly gap. I'm pretty bullish for right now. Let's see 4 hour. Also, ES kind of has these like stacked highs here. Not really on NQ, but actually NQ still has some. It's just a lot more obvious on ES. Just low resistance liquidity above. Looks like here we rebalanced this already, so for value gap it's already rebalanced. Alright, pretty bullish. Above us, inverse this hourly gap as well. Just mark this up. Actually I'm not even gonna mark that up, but alright, imbalance here on the hourly, unfilled hourly gap. ES looks the same. ES is holding this OB. So I'm gonna just keep in mind. Just mark that up since we're showing rejection off there, as well as holding that gap, but NQ did inverse this hourly. Alright, let's hop on the 15-minute. Data lows below. TDO above. Accumulation above. Higher time frame. Right there. Turn off session highs and lows. Let's get rid of this. Let's check power 3. $15-minute. Soup these equal highs. Souped. Style low is such a nice draw though. But yeah, imbalance on the 15. So like higher time frame, leaning more bullish, definitely. But lower time frame, we could potentially get a good model for a short down to data lows. Or if we sweep out data lows, could get longs after that to rebalance this hourly, rebalance the 15-minute. Or if we open up higher at 9:30, could end up taking shorts as well down to data, which is ideally, honestly I'll take it either way today, so we'll just see what happens. Looking at the 5-minute, we're kind of just chopping right now, kind of forming low resistance liquidity here as well. All these stacked lows. Right here, equal highs on NQ, 5-minute. keep those in mind. But yeah, maybe we're gonna end up fading data lows, maybe not, but we're just really gonna see how market opens up in about 12 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty much the analysis for right now. I'm looking to take shorts if we do something like that, and longs look good as well. So really it's just gonna depend on how market opens up. Higher time frame narrative, leaning more bullish, definitely. But we do have this data low, we do have this sell side left behind. If we can take this out, I think longs could cook, even if we just take out the data low. So yeah, it's pretty much the analysis for right now. Also, let me pull up. Yeah, but higher time frame narrative, leaning more bullish today. But yeah, I will be back if anything happens, as well as if we take a trade in Cosmo today. I'll break that down as well. Win or loss, I'll break it down. And yeah, see you then. Okay, so quick recap of today. Ended up taking one trade, just one break even today. Not really any banger trades or anything, but yeah, just one break even trade. Here are my executions. Executed on MNQ on Top Step. So yeah, that's that. Pretty much what I saw here. The first opportunity for shorts was right here, but this was kind of a scuffed ABS, so I did not take it, as well as we had this 15-minute BPR right here, which I was waiting for it to get tapped, as well as this was a 15-minute imbalance. It was unfilled for value gap on the 15-minute time frame as well. If we pull this up, let's see, actually I have no idea where this is. Actually, yeah, it's right here. This was a unfilled 15-minute, which I wanted to see get wicked into before shorting, which eventually, after that happened, after the BPR got hit right here, got wicked into, as well as that 15-minute unfilled for value gap got wicked into, then I was good for shorts. We had a double SMT here, as well as an SMT right here. Pretty significant or pretty obvious double SMT. Also, we're delivering from the RTH gap, and yeah, also most importantly, this was an ABS model. Looking at it from this range here, projecting the 1.5 standard deviation of the ABS right there. Also waited for a 1-minute inversion, which got an entry right there. As well, after, I can't even speak. Right after entry, we had great displacement. We created this CISD on the 1 minute, which then we started to reject, but then eventually we were hit for break even before our TP1 was hit, which was this 5-minute imbalance, this 5-minute unfilled for value gap. As well as below for targets, had accumulation lows, equal lows, and I forgot to mention before, but we also, this yellow line here, this is the higher time frame equilibrium, or not higher time frame, but 15-minute time frame, pretty solid. Equilibrium rejection there as well, aligned with all of the other confluences. So yeah, unfortunate we got brutal break even for before we hit TP1, but it's alright. This was also, I don't think I mentioned this, but this is a AMD model as well. Accumulation manipulation higher. We had that SMT manipulated into the 15-minute BPR, manipulated into the 1.5 standard deviation of the ABS, and yeah, off of that, waited for the 1-minute inversion, entry right here, break even at internal low or 101, which I think internal was hit first, and then yeah, held that order block, or held the CISD, but then eventually hit break even and then ran to TP1. So yeah, unfortunate, we just ended up kind of chopping to the upside, and yeah, it's pretty much today, just one break even. And yeah, just wanted to break that down real quick. I'm gonna be doing these recaps every single trading day now, no matter what happens, whether it's a loss, win, or break even. I'm gonna just break down what I saw in the market, and I'm gonna be posting these on here. So yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that sub button. I think we're at almost 1,000 subs, which is crazy. That's pretty much it. Until next time, peace.